So we are going to ASP space at the introduction to ASP, that is active server pages. That too, which ASP? It's not ASP.NET asset, it's classic ASP. Now, ASP is what now? It is server side scripting technology. Scripting technology. And we make this application execute on server. What ASP file can have? It can have normal text, it can have HTML, it can have XML, and it can have scripting code. And we are going to make an extension of a file saved with .asp. .asp. It depends now. It depends. Whenever you request HTML file, if you create HTML file and if you ask your web server to run this file, since HTML does not contain any server related instructions, simply it will return the file to browser and browser will execute that code, or browser will run that code. Okay, if there is any server instruction containing in a file, then that particular file will be executed by ASP engine. That file will be executed by whom? ASP engine. And again, another important, especially, however, I'll come up with architecture of it once we see example. I mean, as and when we progress into the database. But now what we are trying to learn is which file who will execute. Which file will be executed by whom. That part we are trying to highlight. Okay, so what I said, 2 points, no? 1 point I said, if file, HTML file, if you ask HTML file to execute server, I said simply server will return that file to browser. It won't do any process on that file because it doesn't find any instruction related to what? Server. Simply it will return and browser will execute that file. And second scenario, what I said, if a file contains server related instruction, then server will involve and server will make that, it will pass that request to ASP engine. That is called, one file is available called asp.dll. ASP engine. What is ASP engine? asp.dll. That is available on the server. So that file will execute your ASP related code. And what is called asp.dll? It is called ISAPI. ASP.dll. That is ASP engine is called ISAPI. 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 What is it called? Internet Server Application Programming Interface. That is what the meaning is. And another important thing, ASP, as I already said, it's a scripting technology. And what is the language being used is VB script is being used. What's the language being used? VB script. Okay. So how do you justify that? Okay. INET MGR. INET MGR. What happened? Net MGR. Oh, might be it's not installed in the machine. Do we have INET? No, I don't have. So that I have to configure this. Okay. So let's configure that. Control panel. Just wait for 2 minutes. I'll just configure it. System and security. Administrative tools. Romana, once check your machine. Romana, once check your machine and confirm what are the settings that which we did on last time. Yeah, on that day I've made you install, na? You both have installed on that day. Anand also installed and you also installed. Just see World Wide Web Services, you see whether we are done with all the things available for you, all these options. Okay, that's fine. Here, second option, you see, common HTTP features. Only one option we have. Document, default document. Okay, one option is available in it. Anand, you also check in your laptop. Oh, okay. Yeah, Romana. Next, under health and diagnostics, you see Romana. Health and diagnostics. Anything is available here? Because on the other day I have this hard disk they changed. So for that reason I lost this all settings. Okay, okay. Now go to this PC, C drive. Yeah, inetpub www root. Okay. Hmm. Then open browser. Any browser you open. Chrome. and just we'll see http://localhost. What happened? It's not working.